Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Mathematics. So today we will take a new topic, basic geometrical concepts. तो स्टूडेंट्स पहले तो मैं ये बता दूं आपको कि जो बेसिक ज्योमेट्री के जो बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आप लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं उसके सबसे मिनिमम जो क्राइटेरिया है जिसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपको होनी चाहिए वो मैं आपको आज बताऊंगा एंड लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स द डिफरेंट definitions which are used in geometry. Okay, first we are just mentioning the point क्या होता है? Point is a dot only, right? This is a point. Okay, it's having no length, no breadth, and even no height. This is a point. This is a definition of point, right? What is line? When number of points are added together, okay, then they form a line, right? It is represented like this. One line is represented like this, which is extending to both the ends, right? One more term is there, ray. What is a ray? Ray is a line segment which is having one end point. Okay, line is having no end points, both side extending, no end points, right? But for ray, we can say ray. What is this? This is a end point A, and from this it's extending continuously. So we write it as, suppose this is AB, then we represent AB like this. That means it is a ray, right, students? One plane. What is plane? A plane is a surface. प्लेन एक सरफेस है which is extended in the x direction and y direction. That is, एक प्लेन मतलब जो प्लेन होता है वो दो साइड में एक्सटेंडेड होता है, एक एक्स एक्सिस में एक वाई एक्सिस में. दैट इज, इसका लेंथ भी होता है और ब्रेड्थ भी होता है, राइट? सो दिस इज ए प्लेन. ओके, यू कैन सी हियर इट्स हैविंग लेंथ भी है इसका और मेरे पास ब्रेड्थ भी है इसका. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा प्लेन. एंड फ्रॉम 3 points a plane always passes. Okay, if you are given 3 non-collinear points, then through it 3 points, collinear or non-collinear, then a non-collinear point, then a plane passes through it. From 3 collinear points, only one a line can pass, right? From 3 non-collinear points a line can pass, but if they are non-collinear then it will be a plane, right? What is line segment? Line segment is a part of line. Line segment is a part of line. Suppose this is a line, right? And we are intercepting a section of it like this, AB. Then AB is a line segment. So we write line segment AB, right? What are collinear points? Collinear points are the points which are lying in a plane, and from them a single line passes through. From two distinct points, one line can pass through. One line can pass through like this, right? So we can say this A and B are collinear points. If it is A, it is B, then we can say these are collinear points, right? If there is certain point C is also underlying over here and it is also lying on the same line, जैसे यहाँ पे ये है, then we can say कि हम लोग बोल सकते हैं A, B and C तीनों क्या हैं हमारे कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स, कोलिनियर मीन्स एक लाइन के अंदर, एक लाइन पर कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स, राइट। अब बच्चों मैं आपको बता दूं कॉन्करेंट लाइंस, व्हाट आर कॉन्करेंट लाइंस? द लाइंस, देयर आर मल्टीपल लाइंस व्हिच कैन बी ड्रॉन। ठीक है, बहुत सारे लाइंस हम बना सकते हैं, लेकिन कॉन्करेंट लाइंस क्या होता है? टेक दिस एग्जांपल, एक लाइन ये हो गया, ठीक है, एक लाइन हमारा ये हो गया, राइट, एक लाइन हमारा ये हो गया। तो हम लोग यहाँ बोल सकते हैं कि हियर वी कैन से these three lines, what are those? L, M and N, let the name of these, okay, these are intersecting at a point called O, right? Then we can say that, क्या हम बोल सकते हैं, एल एम एन क्या है, ये कॉन्करेंट लाइंस है, एल एम एन, ये क्या है, कॉन्करेंट लाइंस। तब नॉन कॉन्करेंट लाइंस क्या होती है बच्चों? हम्म, तो स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको बता दूं, नॉन कॉन्करेंट लाइंस आर द लाइंस विच आर नॉट इंटरसेक्टिंग एट ए सिंगल पॉइंट। ये जैसे लाइन हो गया हमारा, ठीक है, एक हमारा एक हमारा ये हुआ, ठीक है, मैं बताता हूँ कैसे होता है ये, एक ये हो गया, ठीक है, फिर हमने एक ये भी ले लिया, ओके। तो देयर इज नॉट ए सिंगल पॉइंट एट विच यू कैन सी, नॉट, तो बोल सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे हम लोग कोई एक ऐसा सिंगल पॉइंट नहीं है जहाँ पे कि हमारा ये लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, ठीक है, नॉट ए सिंगल पॉइंट इज प्रेजेंट, ठीक है, जहाँ पर कि वेयर ऑल लाइंस, not a single point, not a common single point, you can write not a common single point where all lines passes through, जहाँ से सारी लाइंस क्रॉस कर रही हैं, ठीक है, ऐसा कहीं भी नहीं है यहाँ पे। यू कैन सी स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स हैं यहाँ पर जहाँ पर डिफरेंट लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं, ठीक है, इट कैन बी पॉइंट नंबर 1, 2, हियर 3, यहाँ 4, यहाँ 5, बट नो कॉमन पॉइंट, नो कॉमन पॉइंट, ठीक है। तो ऐसे केस में हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, हम दीज ऑल लाइंस आर नॉन कॉन्करेंट लाइंस। नॉन कॉन्करेंट मीन्स ये सारी लाइंस एक ही पॉइंट से पास नहीं कर रही हैं, राइट स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ आई विल गिव यू द concept of now I give you the concepts of let's say we have covered, yeah, how many lines are passes through n number of points, okay। तो this is a formula that n into n minus 1 divided by 2 implies number of lines which can be drawn, मतलब इतने लाइंस हम बना सकते हैं, कब, which can be drawn from n number of points, राइट स्टूडेंट्स। मान लो अपने पास 3 पॉइंट्स हैं, ठीक है, तो लेट अस आइडेंटिफाई नंबर ऑफ लाइंस कितने हैं, कैसे होगा, नंबर ऑफ लाइंस इक्वल टू n इंटू n माइनस 1/2, यानी कि 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, यानी कि 3 इंटू 2 यानी कि 3 पॉइंट से हमारे कितने लाइंस बन सकते हैं, 3। लेट अस सी कैसे हो सकता है ये, कैसे हम लोग देख पाएंगे इसको, चलो हम लोग इसको चेक करते हैं, ठीक है, एक 3 पॉइंट बना दिया मैंने, ठीक है, एक लाइन हम लोगों ने ऐसे क्रॉस किया, एक लाइन हम लोगों ने ऐसे क्रॉस किया, और तीसरी लाइन ऐसे क्रॉस की। क्या इसके अलावा और कोई भी लाइन हम लोग बना सकते हैं? नहीं, कभी नहीं। तो देर इज ए वेरी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला, ये मैंने जो आपको बताया अभी, n इंटू n माइनस 1/2, this is a very standard formula that these number of lines which can be drawn, जो बना सकते हैं हम लोग n नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट से, n can be क्या हो सकता है, 1 हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, 3 हो सकता है, 4 हो सकता है, 5 हो सकता है, डॉट डॉट इन्फिनिटी तक। मीन्स n इज ए नेचुरल नंबर, n इक्वल टू natural number. And you know what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1 to infinity, right? Plus infinity, right? So fine, students. With this, I want to close this part, and now I will just show you the concept of closed curve and open curve. Closed curve and open curve. What is a closed curve and what is an open curve? Okay, students, you can see this is a figure. This is a figure where the starting point and end point collides. So we can see this is a closed curve, right? But if the starting point is this one A and end point is B, end, and a curve is drawn like this, then can we say it as a closed curve? No, this is not a closed curve, this is an open curve, right? Similarly, just in the previous part which we discussed, the lines, arrays, and whatever. Okay, so we will take one example. Okay, to take the example, it's very good example. Suppose this is a question which is given to you. Okay, and two lines are passing through here, and we have certain points mentioned, right? These are the points. These are the points. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what are the rays in it? Rays. Rays. Can you just nomenclature, give the nomenclature of the rays which are underlying over here? What are the rays? Yes. BA, the ray. Then another CA is also a ray, right? DA is also a ray. Similarly, in the lower parallel line, you can see FE is a ray, GE is a ray, and HE is also a ray. And what are line segments? Line segments. Line segments means line segments are the line having a fixed length, right? What are the line segments? AB. It's not BA. Mark it, students. It's not BA. If BA will be there, then from A the line is extending towards some other point. Okay, it's appearing as a ray. It's a ray. So it will not be BA. This will not be BA. If it will be BA, then BA is a ray. Okay, for the but AB is a line segment, right? AB is a line segment. Similarly, what are other line segments? EF is also a line segment. PC is also a line segment. FG is line segment, and CD is line segment. GH is a line segment. So all these are line segments which can be drawn over here. Okay. So I think you are getting the concept of line segment. Okay. And what is a polygon, students? What is a polygon? Do you know polygon? We should have the concept of polygon. A polygon is a closed curve with three or more sides. As from two sides, is it a polygon? No. but a triangle, it's covered from three sides, 1, 2, and 3. This is a polygon, right? And a square is a polygon. A rectangle is also a polygon. A pentagon with 5 sides is a polygon, or a hexagon is also a polygon. Heptagon, octagon, nonagon. So everything is a polygon, right? So, but it should be a closed curve, okay? And do you have the concept of vertex, students? Okay. The concept of vertex, let me show you. When the two adjacent sides, when two adjacent sides meet at a point, that is called what? Vertex. VERTEX, called vertex. So here this is a vertex. A, B, C, D. Similarly in this triangle, these red pointed marks are vertex, right? I think you got this concept of vertex, closed curve, open curve, and diagonals. You know what are diagonals? Diagonals are the lines which are connecting the vertices which are not adjacent. Okay, so here you can see. I will take another color, blue. In this rectangle, in this square, from A to B, A and B are nearby. They are adjacent vertex, means nearby. So I will draw a line from A to C, because C is not adjacent to A. A and C are not adjacent vertex, right? So therefore here AC is a diagonal. Okay, so you are getting the concept of diagonal. Diagonal are the lines. Let me show you. Hmm. Diagonal. What are diagonals? Diagonals are the lines connecting non-adjacent vertex, vertices or vertex of a polygon. Polygon can be triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, trapezium, parallelogram, or whatever it be. Fine, students. So with this, I want to close this. And if I'm looking for some another topic which I may have not captured, okay. So I think we have almost captured all the points. So with this, I will just again ask you to please subscribe to my channel and put a comment in the comment box if there is certain query. I will try to respond it as soon as possible. And happy learning from my side. Thanks. Bye bye.